हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द शेडी डायरी। आज मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कॉज आई एम हेडिंग टू एन आर्ट इवेंट एंड नॉट जस्ट एनी आर्ट इवेंट। इट्स ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स अंडर दिल्ली टूरिज्म। Now you might think, yeah, you have been to so many exhibitions before, so what's new this time? Well, the reason behind my excitement is actually how I got the pass for this one. So as most of you already know, I am an applied art student from College of Art, and for the past few months we have all been working on different campaign projects. मुझे वैसे तो पूरा प्रोजेक्ट आपको दिखाना था from research to final execution, but due to my endless projects अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, so I thought let's share the current update first. So basically our campaigns were on display in college, and guess what? My faculty really appreciated my campaign execution, and as a reward they gave me this art fair pass. I mean free entry to an art event. Wow. Anyways, I think I should stop my buck and let's go and check out the fair. So the name of the event is Imagine Art and Design Fair, held at PSOI Club, Nehru Park. And the vibe here is so calm and so peaceful. Everything here is beautifully curated, well organized, and full of inspiration. And then this one, the floral artwork. This is my personal favorite. As you guys know how obsessed I am with floral elements, and this piece just stole my heart. Then I visited this amazing art booth curated by an artist who brought together art from different cultures, Japan, Italy, and many more. The whole booth had such a peaceful, minimal vibe that मेरा तो मन कर रहा था यहाँ से सब कुछ ले लूँ. Then there was this one artist who made his entire collection by burning wood in creative patterns. Like literally burnt wood transformed into art. And you know what the most random part was? I accidentally met one of my batchmates there. So obviously हमने decide करा चलो let's have something, कुछ तो खाते हैं. क्योंकि the food stalls were super tempting. थोड़े pricey तो थे, but you know what? Sometimes spending a little on experiences is totally worth it, cause it all makes memories. And then we found this super cute chocolate booth. They were offering free samples, and oh my god, the chocolates were so good. They just melted in my mouth like instant happiness. I mean, they were really too good. Then there was this mechanical art piece that really caught my attention. You could literally see all the tiny details, gears, and textures. Then we have some ice cream, and again totally 10 on 10. also live music session scheduled, so I decided to wait for it while reading my book. बट जो सेशन था थोड़ा और डिले हो गया, सो आई हैव टू लीव बिफोर द कॉन्सर्ट इवन स्टार्ट. And you know what? The best part of visiting an art exhibition or art fair is that I have this collection of beautiful brochure, pamphlets, and visiting cards from different artists. I mean, they are so inspirational, like this floral one, then this visiting card, then this gatefold brochure or showing India Gate with the intricate designs and details. So this is how I spend my day at Imagine Art and Design Fair, full of creativity, inspiration, good food and a lot of love. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Shaded Diary and stay tuned in the next video. I'll show you the full behind the scenes of my college campaign projects, from research to execution to final display. Till then, keep creating, keep hustling until you design your dream life. Bye bye.